Welcome to this mock and real U.S. citizenship interview simulation for 2025. If you're preparing for your N-400 naturalization interview with USCIS, this video will guide you step by step through the entire interview process, including the speaking test, reading and writing test, civics test, Part 9 vocabulary questions, personal background questions, and the oath ceremony. In this video, you'll experience a realistic interview with answers, so you'll know exactly what to expect on the day of your test. Whether you're worried about the 100 civics questions, the English test, or just want to practice how to respond confidently to an immigration officer, this full simulation will help you prepare and succeed. Stay tuned, practice along, and by the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident about passing your U.S. citizenship interview in 2025. Let's get started.
Lena Fernandez?
Yes, that's me.
Good morning. I am Officer Edlow, and I'm going to take your citizenship interview. Please follow me.
Sure. Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you. And how about you?
I am also great. Thanks for asking. How did you get here today?
My husband drove me here.
Where is your husband now?
He is waiting outside for me.
Did you come here voluntarily?
Yes, I did. I've been looking forward to this day.
How long have you been waiting for me?
I have been waiting for about 1 hour.
I am sorry to have kept you waiting.
No worries, officer.
Do you feel well prepared for your interview today?
Yes, I do.
Did you have any trouble finding our building?
No, officer, it was quite easy.
Do you understand why you are here today?
Yes, I'm here for my citizenship interview.
Why do you want to become a U.S. citizen?
Because I believe in the form of government and want to vote.
What makes you eligible to become a U.S. citizen?
I have been a lawful permanent resident for over 5 years.
Do you have any questions before we start?
No, I don't.
Do you need to use the restroom before we start?
No, I am fine. Thank you for asking.
How long did it take you to get here?
It took 30 minutes to get here.
How was the traffic today?
Not too bad.
Do you have any physical disability or mental impairment that prevents you from demonstrating your knowledge and understanding any part or question of the naturalization exam?
No.
Let's start by going over your application. Can I see your green card, passport, and any other documents you brought with you today?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Please let me know if any of your answers have changed since submitting your application. Okay.
Sure.
Before starting your interview, I'll need to place you under oath. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down.
Thank you.
Do you know what you just promised?
Yes, officer. I promise to tell the truth.
Do you know what take an oath means?
It's a public promise that I must do truthfully.
If you do not understand any question, feel free to ask me to repeat it. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready for your interview?
Yes, officer, I am ready.
Okay. Are either of your parents U.S. citizens?
No.
Were your parents married before your 18th birthday?
No.
Where do your parents live now?
They live in Cuba.
Where were you born?
I was born in Havana, Cuba.
How did you become a lawful permanent resident?
Through a petition for alien relative.
Can you verify your social security number, please?
1705-81105.
What is the best number to reach you?
602-09-81068.
What is your full name?
My name is Alina Maria Fernandez.
Please spell your last name.
Fernandez.
What is your current legal name?
Alina Maria Fernandez.
Have you used any other names?
No, I haven't.
Okay. When is your date of birth?
March 12th, 1990.
Are you currently single, married, divorced, or widowed?
Yes, I'm married.
How is your spouse's legal status in the United States?
He is a U.S. citizen.
Do you file your taxes jointly with your spouse?
Yes, officer.
What is your spouse's name?
My spouse's name is Carlos Fernandez.
Have you brought any document that may prove your marriage legitimate?
Yes. Here are a few documents along with few photos with my spouse and our families since our marriage program.
Thank you. How did you meet your current spouse?
My father and my spouse's father are a childhood friend, and they arranged our marriage.
Wow, that's great. Can I have your marriage certificate, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. What is your current spouse's date of birth?
His date of birth is July 11th, 1985.
How many times did your spouse marry?
Once.
When did you get married?
We got married on June 20th, 2015.
What does your spouse do?
He does a job in a private company.
Have you had any previous marriages?
No.
Do you have any children?
Yes, we have 2 children.
What is your children's relationship with you?
They are my biological children.
Have you brought their birth certificates with you?
Yes, officer.
Can you please show me?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. What are your children's names and ages?
Our son, Michael, is 8 years old, and our daughter, Emily, is 5 years old.
Has your address changed since you've submitted your application?
No.
Where do you currently live?
We live at 1234 Elm Street, Springfield.
Where else have you lived the last 5 years?
I have been living at the same address since last 5 years.
What is your mailing address?
1234 Elm Street, Springfield.
How long have you lived at this address?
We've lived there for about 6 years.
Have you lived in another address before your current address in last 5 years?
No.
How do you support yourself?
I do job in a private firm.
Oh, that's great. Where do you work? And what's your position?
I work as a software engineer at Tech Solutions, Inc.
How long have you been with your current employer?
I've been with them for 4 years.
Have you had any other jobs in the past 5 years?
Yes, before this job, I worked at Innova Tech for 3 years.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
I became a lawful permanent resident on March 7th, 2020.
Do you have any military service?
No, I do not.
Have you traveled outside the United States in the past 5 years?
Yes, I have.
Is there any new trip outside of the United States since you submitted your application?
No.
Were any of your trips for 6 months or more?
No.
How long did you stay on your last trip?
I stayed for about 1 week.
Can you list the countries you visited and the dates of travel?
Sure. I visited Canada in July 2023, the UK in December 2024, and Mexico in June 2025.
What was the purpose of your last trip?
To attend a family program.
Did you register with the Selective Service, if required?
Yes, officer.
Have you ever intentionally avoided paying debts or financial obligations?
No.
Have you ever failed to pay taxes or filed late intentionally?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone legally immigrate to the U.S.?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever traveled to a country with travel restrictions or advisory warnings?
No, I haven't.
Do you contribute to your community in any way outside of work?
Yes. I volunteer at local animal shelters and help organize community tree planting events.
Do you owe any debts to the government like student loans or federal fines?
No, I don't.
Do you provide financial support to any relatives outside the U.S.?
No, I don't.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Have you ever sponsored any relatives for immigration to the United States?
No, I haven't.
Do you volunteer in your community?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever received public assistance that you were not entitled to?
No.
Have you ever been involved in any civil lawsuits or legal disputes?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever received public assistance or government benefits?
No, officer.
Let's go through Civics test to check your knowledge about United States history, government system, economic policy, Constitution, and few others. I'll ask you up to 10 questions, and you need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Have you prepared for the civics test?
Yes. I studied a lot.
Good. If you don't listen or understand any questions clearly, ask me to repeat it. Okay?
Okay.
Please listen carefully to each question. There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them.
Citizens 18 and older can vote.
What was one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did?
Freed the slaves.
The House of Representatives has how many voting members?
435.
Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states?
Provide schooling and education.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15th.
The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words?
We the people.
What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens?
Serve on a jury.
We elect a U.S. Senator for how many years?
6.
How old do citizens have to be to vote for president?
18 and older.
Great! You have passed the civics test.
Thank you, officer.
Now I am going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, officer.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No, never.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No, I have never been arrested.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No, I haven't.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status or right from immigration.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No, never.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs, like selling, smuggling, or using?
No, officer.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No, never.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow of any government in anywhere in the world by force or violence?
No, officer.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No, I don't.
Have you ever committed assault?
No.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever lied to the U.S. government to get immigration benefits?
No.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No, never.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
No, never.
Have you ever helped someone enter the U.S. illegally?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No, I haven't.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No, never.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No, never.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No, I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No, I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, officer.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, never.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, officer.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No, never.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, officer.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, officer.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, officer.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, officer.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes, I understand.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
What is one right in the Bill of Rights?
Great. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. Freedom of speech is one right. Great! You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you, officer. Thank you so much.
Let's go over a few more questions to know about your moral character. During any of your trips abroad, Did you ever engage in illegal activities?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in prostitution, human trafficking, or sexual offenses?
No, never.
Have you ever committed any crime in the U.S. or abroad?
No.
Have you ever served in the military of a foreign country?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever faced discrimination or harassment?
No, never.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No.
Have you ever assisted someone in avoiding law enforcement?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever been involved in any fraud, scams, or financial misconduct?
No, never.
Have you ever failed to report an incident that should have been reported?
No, never.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone immigrate to the U.S. illegally or provide false documentation?
No, never.
Have you ever failed to support your children or spouse financially?
No, never.
Have you ever been involved in any organizations or groups that advocate violence or discrimination?
No.
Have you ever been denied a visa or entry to another country?
No, officer.
During your travels, have you ever experienced legal issues abroad, such as fines or detentions?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever acted as a guarantor for anyone who violated U.S. laws?
No, officer.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone commit fraud or misrepresentation in any official process?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever used false documents for employment, school, or immigration purposes?
No, never.
Have you ever arrested in your home country or any other country outside the United States?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in identity theft or cybercrime?
No, never.
Have you ever assisted anyone trying to overthrow any government in the United States or your home country?
No, never.
Have you ever lied to avoid military service or public duty?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever overstayed outside the United States?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever lied on any immigration application?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been involved in any traffic accidents where someone was injured?
No, officer.
Do you have any pending police case in your home country or any other country in the world?
No.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit or any other official matter?
No. I've always been truthful.
Have you ever falsified educational or professional credentials?
No.
Have you ever had conflicts with neighbors, coworkers, or family that escalated to law enforcement involvement?
No.
Have you ever knowingly submitted false information on an official form?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever received a formal warning or probation from a court or law enforcement agency?
No.
Now we will discuss some complex situations to assess your moral character and attachment to the U.S. Have you ever encountered situations that required reporting to law enforcement abroad?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever had a family member visit you from abroad for an extended period?
No, officer.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No, never.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
No.
Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes. I have occasionally provided financial assistance to a family member living abroad to help with essential needs. It was done out of care and responsibility. And I have always complied with U.S. laws and regulations regarding such support.
Have you ever faced legal issues with property or tenants?
No, officer.
During your travels abroad, have you ever been detained, questioned, or fined by foreign authorities?
No, never.
Do you understand that good moral character is required to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I understand.
Do you respect and obey the laws of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe you meet that standard of moral character?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise that everything you said is true?
Yes, I promise.
Do you consider yourself a responsible and law-abiding person?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen, paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe in equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, religion, or gender?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Congratulations! You have passed the interview.
Thank you, officer.
Now I want you to review all of the information on the tablet to make sure it's accurate. Let me know if there are any mistakes.
Yes, officer. Everything looks good.
Great! So please sign the box on the tablet to affirm that everything you've said during the interview and all the evidence that you've submitted is complete and true.
Okay.
Thank you. Please review the Oath of Allegiance section. Make sure you agree to all the statements. Then you can print your name and sign and date on the tablet.
Okay.
Thank you. Just give me a minute. I need to run a quick background check and copy all your documents.
Sure. Take your time, please.
All right. Thank you for patience. I have reviewed your application and everything seems to be in order. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I do have a question. What documents do I need to take with me on the date of Oath of Allegiance?
No worries about that. You will have the detail on the letter regarding the oath ceremony.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. You will receive a letter in the mail with the date and time for your oath ceremony.
Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You too.